Hi everyone! If you want to see how quick and simple it is to clean a Roomba cleaning robot, this video is for you. For this, we will need a Phillips screwdriver, a special cleaning tool for the brush, which includes a safety knife. Since my brush was damaged, I'm replacing the side brush. I have placed links to all the tools and parts in the description below. Put the Roomba on its back. Starting with the side brush, unscrew the securing screw. Remove the brush by lifting it upward. Make sure not to lose the small screw. Use the safety knife in the cleaning tool to cut and remove the hair and the fiber from the brush. Reinstall the brush and secure it with the screw. Lightly tighten the screw to avoid damaging the thread. If the brush is in bad condition or damaged, replace it with new one. Cleaning the front wheel. Remove the wheel assembly by lifting it upward. Clean the dust from the wheel's housing. Pull the wheel out of its holder. Remove any hair or fiber tangled to the axle of the wheel. Clean the wheel holder. Put the wheel back into the wheel holder and check that it is freely rotating. Return the wheel assembly into its place and check that it is freely rotating. Cleaning the bristle brush and the flexible brush. Pull the yellow clip to release and lift the brush cover. Take out the brushes by lifting the passive side with the yellow cup and sliding the brush to the side. Remove the yellow cup and clean the metal axle of the brush. Use the safety knife to cut the hair and fibers around the bristles. Make the cut in the gap between the bristles to avoid damaging the bristles. Then remove the hair and fiber by pulling it off the brush. Use the second cleaning tool to remove even more fiber and hair. Clean the flexible brush in a similar way. If the brushes are too damaged, replace them with new ones. If you like this video, you are welcome to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. To achieve a more thoroughly cleaning, you can use a small cutter. Return the yellow cap on the axle. To return the brush to its place, insert first the side with the protruding square. Then slide the brush toward the square side. And then place the yellow cap to lie flat in its place on the opposite side. After installing both brushes, close the brush cover and make sure it is properly locked. And that's it! The Roomba is ready for another clean! See you in the next DIY video!